How to switch your Google account on your Chrome browser. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then switch your Google account from your Chrome browser. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, Google recently released a new feature where you can switch accounts between and within the Google Chrome browser. Now, this is basically a new feature, so make sure to update the app to the latest version from your respective app store. And after you've updated the Google Chrome application, make sure you have also added another Google account to your device. In order to be able to switch accounts in Google Chrome, you want to make sure that you have added multiple Google accounts as well. Now, what we can do is I'll just go ahead and launch the Google Chrome application. Once I launch the Google Chrome application, you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. And if you want to go ahead and try to switch accounts, then you can see on the top right this little profile button. Now, if you're on some other web page, you will not find this option. So make sure you're on the default Google homepage or the dashboard page of Google. As you do that, on the top right, you'll see your current Google profile, which is currently logged in. So just tap on it, and you'll be able to see a list of other Google accounts as well, and you can tap on it in order to switch it. But before that, if you want to go ahead and try to add some other accounts, then you could just tap on manage accounts on this device or manage accounts anything option as such, and then you can go ahead and add another Google account in that way. But since I'm just learning to switch it, I'll just go ahead and select the other Google account over here. And as you can see, I have successfully switched my Google account because you can see the new profile photo on the top right. Similarly, if you want to switch to other ones, tap on it and go ahead and select the other ones over here. And now you can browse your Google through your other accounts. And this is how you can go ahead and switch your accounts in Google Chrome browser. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.